This is a review of the Mercure Roma Centro Termini hotel. We stayed 3 nights at the Mercure Roma Centro Termini hotel. The hotel was located about 300 metres from the República train station and within a kilometre or so of most of the major attractions in Rome. The hotel was a reasonable price for a 4-star hotel in Rome, and it was just recently opened and freshly renovated. It was fairly well appointed. The rooms were large and comfortable. The continental breakfast every morning was quite nice, and the location was absolutely fantastic. The rooms were very clean, the beds and pillows very comfortable, and air conditioning very effective in the heat. I would highly recommend staying here and have no hesitation in recommending it to fellow travellers. So this is the room. Desk, kettle, reasonable amount of storage for suitcases. There's a mini bar and fridge. This is the bedroom. It's quite tight, but the bed is very comfortable. Bathroom, reasonably spacious, nice shower, toilet and bidet, and outside that we haven't used much because of the heat, but there is a nice balcony. So this is our balcony. Not many rooms with balconies, I don't think. So that's our balcony with a little bit of an industrial view. But we have managed to hang out a few things to dry here, so it hasn't been too bad. But it's been like 36, 37 every day, so not much use for this balcony. This is our hotel room. It's been very comfortable at the Mercure Centro Termini hotel.